The world is changing. Humans are looking for a new type of lifestyle. Countries are adapting global culture. There is thirst for wisdom, and there is great demand for conscious commodities across the globe. A sort of awareness has been lingering in the human minds today. Many mainstream universities have opened up mindfulness as part of mainstream accredited curriculum. Various sustainable engineering departments have opened up in major universities. Medical doctors have used integrated medicine and social media to create billion-dollar industries ranging from birth coach, health and wellness coach, to even death coach. We see that there is already an increased demand in this area. So we thought of finding a smart solution, and we founded SMed. SMed is a central knowledge hub within peer networks of diverse global population, whose goal is to materialize a unique value proposition, aiming at attracting more value-added institutional partners with similar objectives across the globe to achieve an advanced, resilient global conscious commune, ARGCC, with material prosperity developed through non-karmic ventures.
We into Smart Mind Multiversity are into changing paradigms and changing mindsets in a very conscious and creative manner. We are introducing wonderful coaches, trainers, speakers and authors to showcase their courses, to showcase their skills, to showcase their abilities and bring about what is known as a total revolution in the thinking process of human beings. All this is to create an awareness in human minds and doing things which are for the benefit of mankind. Also, we should also know that there is a mechanism of thoughts, and that mechanism of thoughts is controlled by the mind. See, the mind guides the brain and the brain guides the body. So everything is there, it's in the mind. Just be conscious about it, become aware of it.
Namaste. I want to talk to you about a very important subject, sustainability engineering. So what we bring to you in this space is experience, mentorship, entrepreneurship. So we already have some patents issued, we already have some prototypes, we have some products, and we want to work with you, we want to mentor you, and we want to create products, services, consulting, and also impart you education in this particular area so that you can become an entrepreneur tomorrow itself, and besides getting a degree or education. So it's a win-win, and we invite your collaboration into this endeavor. Sustainability engineering is an end-to-end thought process. You start from thinking, okay, what am I doing? What am I creating? Is it good for the environment, the very product or service? How we are creating it? Is it sustainable? And then we want to get to a point where we do the entity lifecycle management for the entire process, for the product, and everything is recycled 100%, so that the end result is a net negative carbon footprint, not any positive trace at all. So once we break it down, the process itself, into narrow niches, we can really get there. But let's start with the thinking process itself. The thought process itself has to be starting with creative visualization, exploration of fundamental alternatives, and then getting to a point where everything is 100% recyclable, reusable, and we build it in a sustainable environment, and we do an end-to-end process.
We will facilitate mentioned knowledge networks to further develop mutual understandings among global academic institutions, NGOs, government bodies, and business to co-create a resilient social intelligence to facilitate resolving current and future local and global challenges based on the principles of the ancient and modern wisdom from various traditions across the globe. We are sensitive to necessity of co-creating or co-realizing ongoing relationship with international and local communities to establish bridges between different environments sincerely and respectfully, most commonly on social and business avenues.
Hello, Namaste. My name is Anil Nagdev, one of the co-founders of SmartMindED Multiversity Commune. We help startup entrepreneurs, business owners, knowledge and information givers, educators, coaches, consultants, mentors, or anyone who wants to build a world-class legacy business online by igniting their minds and elevating their lives to design, build, create, launch, operate, market, and grow their successful business empire online so they can grow and scale fast, maximize their profits and income, get their appointments overbooked by selling their products and services through our scientific, holistic, proven and tested quadruple co-realization model, so you can live a conscious life full of joy, happiness, awareness, abundance and freedom to work from anywhere in the world without any office or infrastructure or trading your time for money. Through SmartMindED publishing ecosystem in creating your future-proof legacy business.
I'm Sean Lakshmanan. I'm a Harvard-trained scientist. I'm the founder of SiddhaVetha Center for Transdisciplinary Studies, which is spread all over the world today. And we are trying to bridge the gap between the ancient science and the different traditions of the world. So in this aspect, as an extended project, I'm involved in what is called the SmartMindED. SmartMind is co-created by four genius people from the world who wanted to bridge the gap between different traditions through business approach. We are creating a hub for all different types of businesses. Businesses can enter in, and then you can do the most conscious business ever. So we're also creating currencies within the business. Here, a new type of currency called the karma currency. The karma currency will allow people to do businesses. The value of the current currency will go high when you do the most conscious business. So we will have aspects such as the sustainability, adaptability, the locally made, whether it is genetically and chemical free, karma free, or it is biodynamic, or it is heritage based, or it is ancient. All these dimensions or aspects, or for scalability, we're going to use these dimensions to measure a product and give the value of this product. And then people, the more you go deeper into this aspect, there are additional aspects that will be included, and the most conscious people will pass all those tick marks. So that is the goal of this planet. So we are bringing in a conscious global community who can value themselves by doing good karma. So that's the whole aspect of the organization. It's called the SmartMindED. So this SmartMind is going to be the largest conscious community organization with all aspects of enhancing the livelihood of people and reducing the carbon footprint to net zero. So we thank and invite all of you to join and co-realize with us. Thank you. All the healers who have been working hard and doing great service to humanity. I respect all of you from my heart. Thank you for coming to this event. We'll make a more successful event in the near future with thousands of people recognizing you. So thank you for the opportunity.
Membership benefits. 1. Reach of more than million customers online. 2. Conscious networking in all fields of life, from health, engineering, to politics, to name a few. 3. You can launch your own soft and hard sustainable products. 4. You may form an incubator in any part of India through joint venture. 5. Your customers can be from any part of the world. 6. You may launch your courses, workshop, or conference inside the community as well, to outside. 7. You may have access to published books and publish your work in journal. 8. You may apply for visas for traveling to our partner centers abroad. This option is for international members only. 10. You may get a free membership as part of SiddhaVetha Center for Transdisciplinary Studies. This is also for international members only. 11. You may get a free membership as part of World Institute for Scientific Exploration for Transdisciplinary Studies, also for international members only.